In this video, I'm going to show you how to get email notifications from Typeform. Now, first you want to go inside your form, and then you want to go to Workflow up top, and then in here on the right, you can see it says Messages. Simply click on over here where it says Receive Email Notifications, and whenever you click on that, you then have to set this up. As you can see, it says Trigger Set, and then you can notify myself or team via email. So just go ahead and basically hit Setup Settings over here, and then this is over here, this is correct. So this is the email I want to receive them to, and then here it's gonna say who's sending it. There we go, it's by default, and then you can reply to, and here it says who will receive replies to this email, and I'm just going to basically leave it like this, and then you have to click on the save button, and then you can basically customize the email content. I'm gonna click on that, and here I just want it to be like this by default. That's fine, I'm not going to change anything, and then I'm just gonna click on save and exit, and there we go. That way I've basically done it. Okay, so it's gonna notify me via email whenever I receive any notifications or any new responses, just like it says over here. So if I go back to workflow over here, you can see messages. I have this one set up. It's gonna send it to myself to the email. Okay, and then if I want to remove this, I can click on it, and from here I can just delete it over here or over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.